Hey everyone, and welcome back to KNFIX Stories. Today, we are tackling a very common and very frustrating problem that so many of us face in our daily tech lives. You have an older desktop PC sitting in your house or your office. Maybe it's a family computer, a standard office workstation, or an older pre-built system from a few years ago. The processor is still decent, you have enough storage, but the moment you try to open too many browser tabs, watch high-definition videos, or connect a second or third monitor, the whole system just starts to freeze, stutter, and lag. The integrated graphics simply cannot keep up with modern daily tasks anymore. So what are your options? Do you throw the whole computer away and spend $1,000 on a brand new machine? Do you go out and buy a massive, expensive, high-end gaming graphics card that requires a massive power supply and won't even fit inside your computer case? Absolutely not. There is a much smarter, much more budget-friendly solution, and that is exactly what we are looking at today. Let me introduce you to the SAPLOS NVIDIA GeForce GT 730 graphics card. This is the 4GB edition, and it is a low-profile, low-power video card designed specifically to breathe fresh life into aging or basic systems. It's not going to run the latest AAA games at maximum settings, and we're going to be completely honest about that right from the start. But for what it is actually designed to do, which is upgrading office PCs, creating multi-monitor setups, and delivering smooth multimedia performance, it might just be the absolute best, most cost-effective hardware upgrade you can make this year. In today's video, we're going to break down all the specifications, look at its incredible display capabilities, and figure out if this is the exact piece of hardware you need to save your old PC. And remember, if you decide this card is perfect for your setup at any point during this video, I have left a direct link down in the description below where you can pick it up on Amazon right now at a great price. Let's start by talking about the physical design and the form factor, because this is a massive selling point for this specific SAPLOS card. This is what we call in the PC building world a low-profile video card. If you are working with a small form factor PC, those really slim, compact desktop towers from brands like Dell, HP, or Lenovo that are incredibly popular in offices and schools, a standard full-sized graphics card physically will not fit inside the metal case. The SAPLOS GT 730 solves that headache completely. It features a very sleek, thin, single-slot design. It comes equipped with a single cooling fan right in the center of the card. Because the card is so efficient, that single fan operates incredibly quietly. You'll honestly barely even hear this thing spinning over the standard cooling fans already inside your computer case. If you are putting together a silent home theater PC to put in your living room under your television, this quiet operation and small footprint are absolutely ideal. Alright, let us move on and talk about the actual numbers. What is actually under the hood of this little piece of hardware? This SAPLOS model is powered by the NVIDIA GeForce GT 730 graphics coprocessor, but the real standout feature of this specific model is the memory capacity. It comes equipped with 4GB of GDDR3 RAM. Now, why does that matter to you, the average user? Well, a lot of older computers rely on integrated graphics, which means the computer has to steal memory away from your system's main RAM just to put an image on your screen. By installing a dedicated video card with its own independent 4GB of memory, you're instantly freeing up your system's main resources. This translates directly to smoother overall computer performance. We're talking about faster window dragging, no more annoying stuttering when you're watching 1080p or basic 4K YouTube videos, and a generally much snappier, more responsive experience when you're clicking around your desktop. The GPU base clock speed sits at a very respectable 902 MHz, and the memory clock speed operates at 500 MHz. All of this is running on a 64-bit memory interface. Again, these are not specifications that are going to compete with a $1,000 modern gaming GPU, but for daily driving, heavy office tasks, and media consumption, it provides exactly the right amount of reliable horsepower. Crucially, this card also fully supports DirectX 12. This is extremely important because many modern software applications, design programs, and even basic lighter games require DirectX 12 compatibility just to open and launch successfully. Having that modern API support baked right into this card ensures that your older PC remains fully compatible with today's software standards for years to come. Now, we arrive at what I truly believe is the absolute best feature and the biggest selling point of the SAPLOS GT730, the connectivity. If you look at the back bracket of this card, you're going to see a dream lineup of ports for anyone wanting to build a multi-monitor office setup. On this single low-profile bracket, we have a DisplayPort, we have not one but two HDMI ports, and we even have a legacy VGA port. That's an incredible 4 distinct display outputs on a tiny budget card. Think about how useful that is. If you're a day trader who needs multiple screens open for looking at stock charts, a programmer writing lines of code, a student doing heavy research, or just someone who loves having a video playing on one screen while answering emails and chatting on another, this card is an absolute game changer. The fact that SAPLOS decided to include a VGA port alongside the modern DisplayPort and HDMI is a massive win for budget builders. Why? Because millions of us still have perfectly good, slightly older 1080p monitors sitting in our closets or garages that only connect via VGA. With this graphics card, you don't need to go out and buy annoying, expensive, and often unreliable dongles or adapters. You can plug your brand new modern main monitor directly into the DisplayPort or the HDMI, and then plug your older secondary monitor straight into the VGA. It works flawlessly. The card supports a maximum display resolution of 2560 by 16 pixels, meaning it will easily handle ultra-wide monitors or standard 2040p displays, giving you incredibly crisp and clear text for all your reading and writing tasks. Let us take a moment to talk about installation, power, and compatibility, because I know that for beginners, the idea of opening up a computer and upgrading parts can be genuinely terrifying. I am here to tell you that installing the SAPLOS GT730 is practically as easy as plugging in a USB flash drive. This card utilizes a standard PCI Express X8 interface, which means it will simply snap directly into the motherboard of practically any desktop PC manufactured in the last 10 to 15 years. But here's the absolute best part about the installation process. It is incredibly low power. You absolutely do not need to go out and buy a new, expensive power supply to use this graphics card. Unlike high-end gaming cards, there are no extra 6-pin or 8-pin power cables that you need to run from your power supply and plug into the GPU. It draws all the electrical power it needs directly from the motherboard slot itself. This makes it what we call a true drop-in upgrade. You simply turn off your computer, open the side panel of the case, push the card firmly into the PCI Express slot until it clicks, close the case back up, turn the computer on, install the latest NVIDIA drivers from their website, and you are completely done. Because it uses such a low amount of power, it also generates very little heat. That single fan we talked about earlier does an excellent job of keeping the card cool, even when you have multiple monitors running, which ensures that your entire computer system remains stable and has a long, healthy lifespan. So, let us wrap this up with a final verdict. Who is the SAPLOS GT730 4GB really built for? If your primary goal is to play the newest, most graphically intense video games at high frame rates, you will definitely need to look at higher-tier, more expensive options. But if you're a remote worker needing a rock-solid, multi-display home office, a student researching across 3 different screens, or just someone looking to dramatically speed up an aging family PC for web browsing, spreadsheet work, and media streaming without spending a fortune, this is exactly what you are looking for. It's impressively quiet, it's highly power efficient, it has a fantastic and versatile variety of display ports, and it brings essential modern compatibility to older hardware. If you're ready to stop dealing with a slow computer and want to grab the SAPLOS GT730 to upgrade your own rig today, make sure you click the link I have provided down in the description below. Buying your gear through that Amazon link is a fantastic way to support KNFIX Stories, so I can keep buying new hardware and bringing you these detailed tech reviews. And the best part is, it doesn't cost you a single penny extra. I would love to hear from you guys. What old PC are you currently planning to upgrade? Are you trying to save a Dell Optiplex or an old HP workstation? Let me know down in the comments below. I always love reading about your budget build projects and answering your tech questions. If you found this video helpful or informative, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more PC component reviews and tech guides, and I will see you all in the next video.